ay mapakinggan pa natin ng natamis na artist, Yola at Maria Renica.
Hello, babe. At first, I just want to thank you for giving me this kind of life. A good relationship with you. This is it. Ito na yun. One of the best moments of our lives.
When forever comes tomorrow, what has been will always be. Time and again, my darling.
As I vow to you, may never-ending daw. Pangako na hindi kita pababayaan. All the way. All throughout. Kasama ka sa lungkot at ligaya ng buhay ko.
Hear me now and know the truth. Hear the beating of my heart. It's always you. It's always you. It's always you. Like the sun that's steady rising.
Hi babe! Kasi high-pitched voice with my paos voice. We finally made it. Congrats to the both of us. Promise to you that I support you in whatever path you would take. Nandito lang ako palagi. See you later, mahal. I love you always. Tamit! Lahat ng kamatis!
This is it. Today is the most awaited day in our life. The day we've been praying for. Finally, eto na. Ikakasal na tayo sa harap ng Diyos at sa harap ng mga taong mahal natin.
It's always you. It's always you. Always been you. It's always you. It's always you. Always been you. When forever comes tomorrow, what has been will always be. Time again, my darling, you're
It's been a rocky road for the both of us. Ang dami nating struggles, sacrifices, at mga kung ano-ano pang pinagdaanan. Alam mo yan, ang pakiramdam natin dati, it is us against the world. I know, I'm at I may not be the best wife in this world, but all I can promise to you is no matter what, is I'll be just here for you. Never ka na mag-iisa.
My dear friend, are you too tired to love again? You stormed out and took your bag so fast you left your
Alam niyo na yun ni Mama na super thankful ako sa lahat ng mga bagay na ibinigay at pinaranas niya sa akin. And ayun, sana in time, makakapagbalik din naman ako sa inyo. Ayun lang. Mahal ko kayo, both.
in the stillness of our home.
I promise to love you more each day for all the days of my life. Palagi mong tatandahan na mahal ka ng Mrs. Ortega mo. I love you so much, babe. Shit, nakakainis. I love you, babe.
My dear friend, are you too tired to love again?
Babe, finally. Nandito na at matatanggap ko na. Always remember, lagi mong tandaan na nandito lang ako palagi sa tabi mo dahil wala kang ibang choice sa true. Sulitin mo ang gamit sa gift ko sa'yo, my pretty chummy. See you later. Wag ma-stress. Let's enjoy this journey. I love you so much, mahal. Ciao. Aww.
I'm with you always. You've had me all along. We've come a long way. Now take it home. Take it home.
I pledge my love, my faith, and commitment to you. I vow to love you unconditionally and promise to love with you in times of joy, to hold you in difficult times, and to be a source of strength for you always.
Take it home.